Yo, what is up guys? Today we're going to be playing Black Ops 2 with a special guest. My cousin from North Dakota, I guess. Say hi to YouTube. Hey! So we're going to play on Nuketown. Just us with some bots. So yeah, we're going to get started.
Change your team. Okay.
Alright, so I'm the top one and my cousin's the bottom one. Whoever you want to spectate, go ahead. And let's do this. He's actually better than me, so you probably might want to go ahead. Oh, see him?
I already died.
But he's still better than me. And there's a shotgun right there. Oh, you can't. Oh, is that friendly? Yeah, it's friendly. Wow. I'm about to knife some people.
Oh, you knife a lot.
Oye, ¿me prestan el cargador de Ramín?
For that interruption.
Oh, man.
I'm about to knife some people. Alright, let's go. Oh, that's a friendly.
So, for dance.
Alright guys, so far nothing really good has happened. Wow, I should've, okay.
Oh, I messed it up.
Let's do this. So far, it's 150 points to win. Limit, I guess. Is what it is. Ooh. Oh, wow. Okay. So I'm a sniper out. Alright, now I know. Alright. And if you didn't know, this map is Nuketown. Just if you didn't know. Alright.
This is quiet. Oh, I have to follow this.
So guys, I'll be making even more videos.
¿Quieren menudo?
See?
No, we're not.
If you don't know what menudo is, it's Mexican food. And it's good.
Alright, so I might be doing more videos with him soon. Well, not soon, but more often since it's break. And
I got this
yeah.
guy.
I'm waiting to snipe somebody. Oh, forget sniping. Knife. Oh. I also might be doing some videos with my brother. Maybe not, for sure. I mean, yeah. So,
Whoa, how do you not kill me? And go? He just ran away.
you can tell I suck at Black Ops 2 by the top of the screen. Yeah,
What place am I in?
first. Watch out behind you.
Whoa.
I told you.
He pulled a move like you.
Like you.
Oh man, they exploded my car.
Anyway, so far, oops.
Come in.
Oh, bad. So far, I'm last place. He's first place. I have 8 kills. He has 27 kills. Now I'm getting my score streaks up. I saw you.
You saw that?
Yeah. No, no, no. Oh.
Oh, I got me stuck.
Stop driving around and kill people. There's an enemy? No, there's an enemy over there. Who is this? Oh. I suck at this.
It's gonna explode.
He's under there. Oh, I hit him, but I didn't kill him. Oh, man. Come on.
I'm gonna try a different one. Try this.
Try a shotgun.
Why doesn't it? Never mind. Okay, now I got this stuff. Well, that was you.
Yeah.
What were it? Oh, it's like.
Don't try to knife me, boy. I can't do anything with the shotgun. Wow.
Whoa.
Oh, that's a better guy. I need
I'm staying with the shotgun.
Yeah. I'm aiming right at you. Oh, wow. Shouldn't have been there. What am I doing?
Where'd it go? I saw you pass.
I can't find nobody. That sucks.
Okay, back to the shotgun.
You got round and kill.
Who did?
You?
Me? No, I didn't.
You did.
It exploded before. Look.
Oh.
I'm right there. Ready? You see my car?
Oh, yeah.
I was just about to explode that guy. There was a guy over there. I was gonna kill him.
As you see, he's way better than me. It's top over here and me over here. So yeah, guys, it's been a video of Black Ops 2 with my cousin. Peace out, and I'll see you next time.